natin yan. So, you have this, no, 28, 22. So, you have na 22, repeated number to, no. So, 22 is an angel number, no. So, yan, no, maybe lagi kayo nakakita ng 22, no. So, yan, merong message sa inyo ang inyong mga angel guides, no, mga Taurus. So, i-search nyo lang yan, no. So, kung ano yung message na right for you, no, tignan nyo yung sasakto at makaka-relate kayo, no. Yeah. So, and then of course, you have this 41, no. So, yan, no, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong numbers, no, repeatedly, no, within this week is makaka-receive kayo ng something good news, no, positive news, no, whatever it is, no. So, something good, no, ang may marireceive kayong mga kung ano man to, kung may mga hinihintay kayo or kung wala man, may good news na marireceive, no, something like that. Kung hindi man sa inyo, maybe sa family mo, no. So, yan, no, again, 28, 22, and 41, no. So, yeah, that's it, no. So, ayan yung inyong reading for today, Taurus, no. So, I hope naka-resonate kayo with your reading, no. So, yeah, and God bless you, Taurus, and thank you for watching, Taurus. So, yeah, no, let's continue, no. So, yeah, Virgo, no. So, how are you, Virgo, no? So, let's see what's your career situation ng mga Virgo natin, no? So, kuha tayo ng 3 cards din for you, Virgo, no? For Virgo, please, situation nila sa kanilang career, no? Mga Virgo natin. So, yeah, 3 cards for Virgo. And one more. So, yeah, let's see. So, what's your spending, no? So, meron dito, Virgo, no? So, what's your spending, no? Maybe masyado kayong napapagastos recently, no? So, tipid-tipid rin daw, no? Kasi nga ay, maybe for some of you, medyo tight ang inyong mga budget right now, no? So, kailangan ay magtipid-tipid. Kung hindi naman kailangan, ay wag na lang munang bilhin, no? Pag may extra na lang talaga, right? No? So, what else? So, sudden change, no? Job, business, career, status, no? So, yeah, for some of you, no, maybe ay may nagbabalak na rin dito na mag-change of career. Yeah, maybe kasi ay